Okay, Grandma. They're done. I'm gonna walk this around and you'll see it. The only thing we have to do is get this the stone for the bottom, the veneers. And I'm trying to walk around without breaking my neck. They cleaned up pretty good, but when you get old, you get old. You stumble, fall, hurt yourself. Anyway, they just left. They just cleaned up. So. We'll go out in that bright sun. It'll probably wash it out. I hope this is taken anyway. Go across. My screen's washed out. I hope the video didn't wash out. Anyway. Oh, I didn't show you what they did underneath. It's all stuccoed up there on the porch and around. It's all stuccoed. So. Master side. Yeah, that'll get washed out because I'm going to walk right into the sun. I'll get back a little bit. Maybe a picture will show up. Sighting will show up a little better. I'll go up into Little Nye. Show you what they did in here. I don't know if you can see that in that photo, but anyway, it's all got the texture coat on it. Go over here and then I'll go to the shop to show you. Okay, that's the last wall in the house. Of course, I don't know if you've seen. I don't think I came down far enough. Okay, we'll get this. Back to the door. Come across. Okay, did me a little trimming of that vine that grows all over to kind of see if I can save that tree. But we'll see. Had some low branches there, cut those. So anyway, I think the sun might wash here just for a second. Maybe not. Anyway. That's going back out to Stanley. So that's the north wall. Or actually the east. Actually the east wall. And they go down the back. I went all the way down the back. As you can see, it's all texture coat. I'll go this way. It's still wet here. And you come out to the front of the garage. All right, here's the west wall. It's still pretty wet. This is the last wall they did. So it's still up, still pretty wet. I mean, I can touch it and it won't come off, but I could, if I took a stick or something to it, I could leave marks in it. Anyway, there you go, Grandma. There you go. That's all I did today is watch them do this and trim some trees.